Let's start fractions with the help of cards. Here, how many diamonds are given in this card? 5. I will write 5 here. Now I will hide the diamonds. Now how many hidden diamonds are there? I will write 3. If I will hide this part, so hidden diamond is 2 and the part is 5. Let's add this number. While adding this number, remember to see the denominator. Both the denominators are same. Write the answer here. 5. 3 plus 2, 5. This is the whole fraction. Let's take the next example. If I take the card of 3, so answer here I will write 3. I will hide this part. One heart is hidden, so I will write 1 by 3. If I will hide 2 hearts, the answer is 2 by 3. Let's add this number. Again the answer is 3 by 3. This is the like fractions additions. If we take same example in subtraction, for example 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, answer is same because denominators are same. So you will write the denominator same and 3 minus 2 is 1. Now the concept of like fraction is clear. Let's move ahead and learn the addition of unlike fractions. Same example, I will write 2 by 3. But instead of 3, I will take this number and I will write 3 by 5. Now add these numbers. Now the difference is here both the denominators are different. Now what we have to do, we will take LCM. LCM, the meaning of LCM is least common multiples. Let's make one line like this and write the number inside it. 3, 5. Which is the least number here? 3. So we will take that number. 3 into 1 is 3 and 5 same as it is because 5 never appears in the table of 3. Write 5. 5 into 1, it's 5. Answer is multiply this side of number. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Now we have to equal the denominator. So what we have to do? Let's count the numbers here. How? In the table of 3, 15 appears for how many times? 5 times. So we will write here 5. In the table of 5, 15 appears for 3 times. So write 3 here. Then multiply the numerator with these numbers. You will get 2 into 5 it's 10 and 3 into 3 it's 9. And denominator we got before it's 15. Now add these numbers. 10 plus 9 is 19. So this is your answer. Addition is so easy. I hope you understand. Let's take same number but subtract these numbers. 10 by 15 minus 9 by 15. Answer is 1 by 15. Methods are same in both addition and subtraction. Now I will teach you mixed fraction sums. Now here 2 cards are there. I place 2 cards here. This you know the answer. It's how many? 3 or 2? 3 diamonds are hidden. Right here 3 by 5. Let's check which card is this. Oh, this is 5. Means 5 by 5 will be 5 by 5 will be 1. So this is the whole number. I will write here 1. Because mixed fraction is the combination of whole and proper fraction. Now let's solve this mixed fraction into a new fraction. How you can solve this? 1 into 5. Always remember, here you have to multiply and here you have to add. So remember these symbols. 1 into 5 is 5 and 5 plus 1 it's 3. 5 plus 1 or 5 plus 3. This we add multiply with this number. So you have to add with 3. So you have to speak 5 plus 3 and your answer will be 8. Simply 8? No. You have to write the denominator 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Your answer is 8 by 5. In this way you can solve mixed fraction into proper or improper fraction. Now here hidden part is 1. So I will write 1 by 3. Hidden part is 2. So I will write 2 by 3. Let's compare. Compare means you have to use the sign. Which is greater? I will say you easily. How? Because here 2 is greater. Denominators are same. So 2 by 3 is greater. If the denominators are different, then how can you solve these numbers? I will show you. Instead of 3, I will write 5. And here 2 by 3 same as it is. Now we don't know how to compare this number because here denominators are different. Both the denominators are different. Let's take LCM. LCM of 5 and 3 we had solved previously. Answer is 15. In the table of 5, 15 appears for how many times? 3 times. And in the table of 3, 15 appears for 5 times. Multiply the numbers. Here you will get the answer. 3 into 1 is 3. So answer will be 3 by 15. And here you will get the answer. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 by 15. So what is the answer here? Which is greater? 3 by 15 or 10 by 15? 10 by 15 is greater. In this way you can solve the comparison sums. You see the numbers like this, 4 by 5, here also 4 by 8. Now how you will compare these numbers? Both the numerators are same and denominators are different. Again, same method, LCM, 5 and 8. In the table of 2, 8 comes for how many times? 4 times. Again 2, 5, 2, 2, 1. You have to complete this number and then only you have to take another number. 1 and 1. Multiply these numbers. 2 into 2, it's 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 5, 40. You got the answer, 40. In the table of 5, 40 comes for how many times? 8 times. In the table of 8, 40 comes for how many times? 5 times. Multiply with the numerator. 4 into 8, 4 into 5. 4 into 8 is 32. 4 into 5 is 20. Write the denominator below. Now compare these numbers. 32 by 40 is greater or 20 by 40? 32 by 40. Your answer will be this. In this way, you can solve the comparison between these numbers. Bye bye. Take care. And please complete the work from the PDF. In textbook also, you have to color the fractions properly. In notebook, you have to write these sums properly. Bye and take care. Be safe.